E-31 rust current suppression relay fault. Okay, so we'll talk about this error. So this is like error if fault occurs on ESD's rust current suppression relay. Input power was cycled on off very often. Like we have relay. So if in that very frequent on off will be there. Okay. So because of that, there could be relay could be damaged or it will occurs E31. Okay, so using F or R terminal forward or reverse. Okay, and ADS control terminal strip ST, use one of method blow to clear fault. Okay, so it is like press AS30 AS3 and then reset and P007 to clear for this fault. Like if you have checked the input wiring connection properly, that is proper, and still this error is coming, so in that case it will be required to repair this VFD. Normally you need to repair this VFD because of it is rust current suppression into the relay. If still your problem is not resolved, you can write a mail to me on email ID incassalesone@gmail.com, and I have one PDF also that is chargeable. But with that, you will get a lot of knowledge about the VFD and VFD problems and how you can resolve the issue related to